Hey Jory, Tony Markle here. Just wanted to do a little video walk around for you. I know you've watched the YouTube videos, but I really wanted to do an in-depth dive for you so you could see exactly what you're looking at and thinking about buying. Quick, we put the front bumper cover on it. Paint matches really well. Can't tell it was ever in any kind of accident. Coming around here. All the tires are pretty new. They all measured, I think, at least 8/30 seconds all the way around. Does have a dent right there. And then, when you get up close, these, it's pretty common for these to be sun faded. I polish them as best I could, but I do want to call it out to you just so you know. And kind of same thing with all these belt moldings here and the trim. It doesn't impact anything, but I don't want you to be surprised when it shows up there. Also does have a little scuff there, it goes under there. Sorry if it's a little windy, I got the mic on, but you might not be able to tell completely. Another very small ding right there. And again, kind of the same thing with these moldings all the way around. Sun faded. Both these up here, very common on these, especially for that year, especially coming from Texas. And then I do want to call out, it's got 3 dings in the hood. One there, one there, and one there. They're not terrible. I'm sure a dent guy could knock them out without too much trouble, but I do want to make sure you do see them, you do know about them. I don't want you to be surprised. One more little guy there. Moving to the inside of it, windows are already tinted. Passenger side running boards are perfect. No issues there. Door panels in really good shape still. Leather's in good shape. I think it's a little dry. I've moisturized it, but this is actually, these had real leather in them. It's a special kind of leather. So they tend to age a little bit more naturally than a lot of cars. All the trims here, a little wrinkly up here on this. I don't think it's too much to worry about. Heated, cooled cup holders. Got your screen there. Inside, probably watched the video. I spent probably 2 weeks cleaning this thing, just making it as perfect as I could. Does smell new still. No smoke, no odors like that or anything. You got the TVs in the headrest, and then of course you got the extra 2 TVs there. If you have kids, I'm sure they'll appreciate that. If not, it's a lot of overkill. 3rd row, really good shape. I think they had a car seat back there if you could kind of see a little bit. 2nd row though, really overall, really good shape on it. Sill plates are all really nice. Got the power tailgate. You have your carpet mats here. It's got them for 2nd row, 1st row, and the cargo area here. Really, plastic's in really good shape back here. Usually see families kind of beat it up, but a few little things there. Again, wouldn't worry about it. View of the headliner, got a little scuff here. I could probably get that out before I send it out to you. It's missing this piece. I have it ordered. Should be in a few days. I'll pop that on. You won't even notice it. It's the other side back here. Again, very, very clean. I wasn't bullshitting anybody when I told them, I'd put up this rebuilt title against pretty much any clean title one you're going to find in Michigan right now. And I really think it's a hell of a savings on it. No lights in the dash or anything. We're up to temperature. Again, a little bit of cracking here on the leather. I keep moisturizing it. Coming from that dry climate down there, I think it's just going to take a little time, a couple more treatments on it, but shouldn't really act up on you too bad. Gonna start getting rain down here in a second. The big thing, if you've been looking at any of these GM SUVs, there's no rust down here. It's not all rotted out in the bottom. Very common. Quarter panels are gone, or they've been painted, they look terrible. This rots out there, that rots out. Back here gets all rusty. Same thing on this side. I mean, it's pretty much immaculate. Again, it spent its entire life in Texas. Yeah, so I got the inspection lined up tomorrow. I'll shoot you over their results. I've been driving it around. I don't think they're going to find anything crazy with it. Brakes felt good to me. No pulsation. No anything like that. Just gonna back her into the garage here. Spent too long cleaning this thing for it to get rained on. There's your backup camera. That works. Does have blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. Turn signals in the mirrors. That all worked. I have a standard 2.5 car garage, so I really got to be careful backing this thing up. All the sensors work, which you can clearly hear right now. All right, contact. Got your lights on and everything in here. Dome lights work. One key, one remote, just so you're aware. But this console here too, it's in really good shape. A little bit of wear there, but a lot of them you see they're completely shot. So yeah, hope this finds you well, and I will be in touch tomorrow with more info.